Picture this, a world at war and a machine at the heart of it all, cloaked in layers of mystery. This is the story of the Enigma Machine. Born out of the chaos of World War II, this cryptic device emerged from the shadows of Nazi Germany. It was a cipher machine, a tool of secrecy and strategy, used to encode and decode the most confidential of messages, its whispers echoing through the halls of power. Its intricate design and the mind-boggling complexity of its inner workings made it an almost insurmountable challenge for the Allies. With its rotors spinning and lights blinking, the Enigma machine was a monument to the ingenuity and cunning of its creators, a testament to the power of encryption. It was the Germans' secret weapon, a marvel of engineering and cryptography, a machine they believed would tip the scales of war in their favor. The Enigma machine was a marvel of engineering and cryptography, a secret weapon that Germany hoped would tip the scales in their favor. The Enigma machine didn't just appear overnight. Its creation was a testament to the ingenuity and determination of its makers. Born out of necessity and the pressing need for secure communication, the Enigma machine was the brainchild of the German engineer Arthur Scherbius. He patented his invention towards the end of the First World War in 1918. Scherbius faced numerous challenges in creating this marvel. The complexity of the machine, the need for absolute precision, and the demand for secrecy pushed him and his team to their limits. But they remained undeterred. They overcame every obstacle, refining and perfecting the machine until it was capable of creating millions of possible settings. The Enigma machine was not just a technical marvel, it was a work of art. It was a symphony of gears and rotors, all working in unison to create a veil of secrecy. The machine was a masterpiece, but its real power lay in its ability to keep secrets. The Enigma machine was more than just a piece of technology. It was a weapon used to hide the plans and movements of the German forces. In the throes of World War II, the Enigma machine was the most guarded secret of the German military. It was a tool of war, a cipher device used to obscure the content of important messages from the prying eyes of the enemy. The process of encoding and decoding messages was complex, but it was this complexity that made the Enigma machine such an effective tool. The operator would first type the plaintext message into the machine. Each keystroke would cause a series of rotors to turn, changing the electrical pathway and thus the resulting letter. This encoded message, a jumble of seemingly random letters, would then be transmitted via Morse code to the intended recipient. On the receiving end, another Enigma machine, set up in exactly the same way as its counterpart, was used to decode the message. The operator would type in the encoded message and the machine would spit out the original plaintext. This process allowed Germany to coordinate its forces with a level of secrecy previously unheard of. The Enigma machine was instrumental in facilitating covert operations and strategic planning. It gave Germany a significant advantage, allowing them to catch their enemies off guard time after time. The Enigma machine was a linchpin in Germany's war effort, but its reign wouldn't last forever. Every secret has a way of coming out, and the Enigma machine was no exception. As the war raged on, the Allies were tirelessly working behind the scenes to crack the Enigma's code. The endeavor was monumental, attracting some of the brightest minds of the era. Notably, the brilliant mathematician Alan Turing and his team at Bletchley Park in England were at the forefront of this effort. Their mission? To decode the seemingly unbreakable Enigma machine, a feat that would require not only intellectual prowess but also a massive amount of perseverance. Turing and his team worked relentlessly, developing a machine known as the Bombe, designed specifically to crack the Enigma code. The breaking of the Enigma code was a turning point in World War II. It was more than just a triumph of intellectual achievement, it was a game-changer on the battlefield. The decoded messages gave the Allies a glimpse into the German military plans, providing them with the upper hand in strategic planning and execution. This breakthrough significantly shortened the war, saving countless lives in the process. The once feared Enigma machine had lost its aura of invincibility. It was no longer a tool of war, but a symbol of human perseverance and intellectual triumph. The Enigma machine, once believed to be unbreakable, had fallen. Its secrets were laid bare, and with them the fate of the war was sealed.